1,100 pounds beast on wheels. This electric dumper hauls, tips and flips like a construction superhero. Meet your new worksite wingman, the 1,100 pounds loading, red-hot EH50 Electric Dumper Cart. It's packing a 1000 watts brushless DC motor and a 48-volt 32 amp-hour lead-acid battery so strong, it runs all day, literally 12 to 15 hours, without tapping out. Forget loud engines and chugging fumes, this quiet king glides like a whisper but hauls like a beast. Zero emissions? Check. Fully charged in 5 hours? Yup. Whether it's carrying bricks, gravel, or garden dreams, this electric wheelbarrow is the heavy lifting, battery-powered buddy you didn't know you needed. This ain't your grandpa's rusty cart. With an 8.2 cubic feet tipping bucket and hydraulic lift magic, it handles 1,100 pounds like it's featherweight. Solid or sloshy cargo? Doesn't matter, it's all fair game. The tires? Thick, tubeless, unflattable tanks. The build? Reinforced like it's going to war. The rear wheels even come with locking pins to keep things steady when terrain gets funky. Add in weather-tough components and a design that slips through doorways and tight aisles like a ninja, and you've got a portable powerhouse. What really makes the EH50 pop? Smart features like a real-time LED display, speed thumb throttle, forward or reverse buttons, and a red safety handle of honor that instantly stops the unit if released. It doesn't just do the job, it does it safe, smooth, and slick. Need to haul in low light? 230 watts headlights got your back. You're not just working, you're upgrading to a smarter, safer, and sassier workflow. Go ahead, let the neighbors be jealous. This cart is your time and back-saving superhero. Forget repeated trips, injuries from tipping, or throwing out your back. With hydraulic assist and gas springs that help you tilt like a pro, one person can do the work of 3. That means less sweat, more done, and a whole lot of heck yeah from your body and your wallet. From job sites to backyard battles, it brings brutal force with brainy finesse. For the price of a few muscle pulls and chiropractor visits, you're scoring a durable, tech-backed tool that's future-ready. Mechmax's EH50 isn't just built tough, it's built smart, stylish, and seriously efficient. With USA warehouse shipping, support on speed dial, and a design born in the lab of landscaping legends, this electric dumper is the flex you'll be proud to show off. Wheelbarrows had their time. Now it's EH50's world, you just haul in it.